So in this video, we're going to do sound design. My name is Gavin, and normally on this channel, I do photography, alternative photography, some electronics, even some 3D printing. And this time around, we're going to do something with sound. And it's quite a journey. We take an Ikea salad bowl, we take a glass jar, and we also take an old film camera, and we take sounds from that, and we make a musical piece. And I'll let you be the judge whether it's any use. It's mainly an encouragement for you guys out there to try these things and make your own creation. So let's begin. This is the entire setup. Pretty cool. I've got to say, I'm totally blown away. The H5 is a super recorder. I was going to get a 32-bit float recorder and I decided against it because Zoom's lineup at the moment is pretty poor when you compare the quality and build and all the features you get on this old recorder, which is like 10 years old or something at this point. And you're better off just, holding out until they bring out the pro version or whatever if you want to do that. It's better off spending the money on these microphones. These are pretty inexpensive. And you can get this whole setup for what a 32-bit float recorder would cost you. So it's a no-brainer, really. So I'm going to hit the record. So now the sound are going to switch over to the microphones. So you've got a bit of birds, there's definitely a plane in the sky, there was a car going by. You're picking up pretty much everything. There's even some church bells in the distance. So this will make a nice texture, I guess. That bird there, I'm just out in my garden, for goodness sake. So in a forest, I'd say it's going to be absolutely amazing. This is my next setup. You can hear the fridge in the background. You can hear pretty much everything, actually. It's very sensitive. But I want to get this sound. So just hitting you hear that sound here. So I'm just going to hit the record. That's the sound I'm interested in. Let's just see. Looks good. So we're going to just tap on here. To make the sample and to edit the sample, I use Ableton Live. The first thing I do is I put in a simpler. You can search for simpler in Ableton, and then you put the device in here, and then you drag the sample into it. And what I've done is I've taken a small piece of that sample
And then I've decided I want to kind of modulate that sample there with a thing called shifter, which is part of Ableton, and then an auto pan, as you see over here. The auto pan kind of sends it from left to right, and you can control it. I will play that and let you hear that. So for the samples of the glass jar, I made two samples. One me tapping on top of the lid, and the other one with a wooden spoon rubbing against the glass on the bottom of it. And I used what's called Granular Synthesis. And Granular Synthesis basically works by taking a small sliver of that sample and playing it. Playing it either at random times or moving around the point where it plays those little slivers. And it gives you this kind of disconjunctive, disorganized sound of that sample. But as you listen to it, you get a more complete sound. It's an unusual type of synthesis, and I found it worked pretty well with this sound. And Ableton Live 12 and 11 come with, I think you might have to buy the Max pack, I'm not too sure, or the Max for Live to get that module, and that is the Granular 2 or version 3, and you've got a lot of control in there, and I'll play that now so you'll hear it.
So now that we got our samples together, I will use some of those samples to make a piece of music or a song. I do write some lyrics and I do write some words and make some music just to demonstrate how this would work. And it's up to your interpretation how your samples will work, and it's more of an encouragement that you create, whether it's poetry or music or whatever it is, that you get an idea of what you can do with sound samples, and the different methods of using them. And it's the wonderful thing about sound samples is they're your own, and so they're your own unique signature as well. I will give away these sound samples at the end of the video in some kind of pack that you can use in Ableton Live, which will be up in Gumtree. So you can download it for free. If you feel like giving a donation, that's wonderful too, because it's a small channel. Feel free to comment down below, and if you have any questions, also comment. Thank you for watching.
I never saw it come across like that. White mice across the tabletop, wondering why they come in my room at night, smoking cigarettes without a light, without a light, without a light. I never saw it come across like that. Nice to be mice, white mice on the table too. nice to be nice. Why nice? I never saw it come across like that. White mice across the tabletop, wondering why they come in my room at night, looking cigarettes. What I like. Their faces are all about. Cross your neighborhood tonight. Faces are all about. Cross your neighborhood tonight. It's nice to be nice. It's nice to be nice. It's nice to be nice.
Switch on the toaster, fire up the kettle. And a swipe across the screen, and it's more of the same. The loss of the bird song. And I wonder to myself, what the heck, what the heck? It says the world is a mistake, and nothing can wait. It's an incredible case. It's an incredible case. It's an incredible case. It's an incredible case. I have random ideas and choice words on the subject. I'm working at my brain. What can be done? Tess says it's in a jock. It's a wreck. It's an incredible case. It's an incredible case. It's an incredible case. It's an incredible case. And nothing can wait. Nothing can wait. Take a ride to Concrete City, where the grass is mean and nothing is so pretty. It's an incredible case. It's an incredible case. It's an incredible case. It's an incredible case. And nothing can wait. Nothing can wait. If they can make some parks, some trees, say some oaks, limes, maples, poplars. We love trees. We love concrete more than humanity. It's an incredible case. So I hope you liked this video. It's been kind of crazy to put it together. I really enjoyed doing it. Messing around with the Ikea salad bowl and the glass jar, and there's been a lot of technical stuff to get this to work. Feel free to comment down below, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. It's a small channel, and any encouragement or help will help to grow this little channel. And if you have any ideas, please leave them down in the comment, and hope to see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.